Alright guys, got the Volkswagen loaded up again. About to go for a little camping trip. Actually going to Brett and Debras, who's the people I got the bus from. Tomorrow we're going to an old Chevy Junkyard, try to get some parts for Lindsay's truck. So I'll bring y'all along tonight if anything happens. Alright?
Yeah!
You just picked up these chairs at Charlotte's Selectables.
Heck yeah, I love that place.
I don't suppose you got any food in there.
That's firewater.
Oh boy. No, not yours.
Dude.
Bubba's gonna claim
Be
it.
careful with it.
Oh, no way. That is like pure oxygen.
When I told him once or twice to stop
We're jamming.
cars and a shooting dice.
What you done always, you are the luckiest man of conscience. I've seen
What'd you do?
I had no friends
Slept on the lounge
to help me.
How cool is this old fridge? And it still works. Supplying me cold beverages. Raging Eagle Mango, 6%. It's incredibly good. Solar panels ain't doing no work today.
Where are you?
Here, piggy, piggy, piggy. Oh.
That's Weenie. So, if Beanie is fatter than her. Okay, here she goes.
Oh my goodness. You're a tub of lard, ain't you?
Okay, you're gonna shock me, aren't you? Louie.
Hi guys.
Here it goes. Yes.
Who is this one?
Fine.
Fawn. She's pretty. She's mama?
Yep, she's 2.5 years old.
Nice.
Kids, this is Allie and Alice, the white one. And the 3 boys, they're brothers.
We got a mess of them in here.
There's 2 of the Cindy's, and then there's Lucy doing her I'm Broody.
Some bobbleheads chickens.
Yep. And then there's daffodils.
There's a
They're
pile of
a little
eggs.
bit-
It's just
It's insane.
sunflower seeding itself for next year.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them down there.
Hold up that head on that other one there. Look how
Oh my God,
big
it's
that
heavy.
thing is.
It is heavy.
It's about to start dumping seeds too.
Yeah.
What did you call this thing?
Kohlrabi.
Kohlrabi.
Yeah.
See these peppers right here.
They're bug crazy.
This one's doing great.
Fig tree, it's a brown turkey fig.
Oh, nice. That was a cutting, you said? Started as a cutting? Papa Pepper, your plants are living on. She's got a fig tree cutting that lived out. It looks really healthy. Thank you for not stinging me. Thank you. She said, I got something for you. Don't run off yet. Nice, let's see. Heck yeah, dude. That's really cool. Awesome, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I really like that. I've got the mountain, the green one with the mountains. And they're matching.
Yeah.
Sweet, dude. That's really cool. Look at that bag, dude.
Like a fuel pump off.
Hey. 60s Suburban. And I will own this, Jeff, and I'll let you drive it.
I got a Hemi for it down there.
Do you?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I bought a 373 Hemi, one of them DeSotos.
Uh-huh.
Get $400 for it.
Wow.
I don't know much about them, but it's good rebuildable. Fucking motor's clean. It's a really, really rare Nova. Really rare. They ain't like. It's probably rarer than these Nickies are.
Huh. Alright guys, we found a truck we're going to strip. We honestly wanted the trim. I didn't even pay attention it's a short bed. I realized it was a short bed, but I didn't think about the trim, so we're not going to be able to take the bed trim, but at least we can take the cab trim off of it. And the main reason why we're here is the radiator core support. And this isn't a junkyard, this is the guy's personal stuff, but he wants to help Lynzie out, so we're going to strip what we need off this truck. He told us to take whatever we need, so. Well, we finally are on the last bolt. I think it's going to come out now. Oh, thank God. Alright, set it up there. Alright guys, we got a good radiator core support. This AC condenser just kind of stuck in there, so I'm going to worry about it later, but he doesn't need it. Alright, she's already got a pretty nice patinaed front grille, but this one looks really nice. I couldn't really pass it up, so. Alright, we got also 2 door strips trim and the front fender trim. We did not get the spike off the end of it? Oh, better do that. Yeah. And then the 2 customs for over the door. Anyway, thanks again, Jared, for letting us come out and pick through their personal stash, man. It was very, very nice of you guys. Thank you, Aunt Sheila, for your hard work. Pick up my trash. Alright guys, on to the next one. Uh-oh! Nice. Pretty badass though. Need some speakers. Uh-oh.
Yum.
Dr. Pepper cream soda. Is it really? Is it really? Oh, this could be so bad if it's not. Dr. Pepper cream soda. Yes. I've been doing really good. We just worked our asses off. Cheers. We're both like 10 days with no soda, so I think we earned this one. Oh, it burns so good. There's this old general store in this town here. This is one too. But there's an old one. And I parked Aunt Sheila there. I'm gonna get a picture of her.
backyard. I take my words and read them every day. Keep them close by, don't you let them fade away. All I really gotta do is live and die, but I'm in another and don't know why. And there might be a little dust on the bottom. It's one of those things that gets sweeter with time.
3 years I've lived in Arkansas and haven't seen a single rattlesnake. Just seen it. Somebody's already running plumb over, unfortunately, but you got some rattlers on them. Man, what a beautiful animal. It's a real bummer. Hey guys, this is kind of a long one already, but I got new tires today I was going to show y'all. I had one that my alignment's off a little bit and is rubbing real bad. To be honest, I usually wear them down past that, but I messaged the tire guy. He said he's got a set of 4 used ones. He'd give them to me for a good deal, so. I'm a cheapskate, so I buy used tires, but they're good, and I have a spare now. So that's good. I picked up a spare rim a couple weeks ago, and then I just put one of my old tires on the new rim, or on the new spare that I have, and then put all 4 matching tires on the truck. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I've already got a lot of stuff for the next video, so it should be fun, and we'll see you next time.